students, how are you today? Let's get started with calendar this morning. It is a new month, so echo after me. The month is October. I have a couple birthdays. We have DeAndre here. We have Chloe and Jason. They're both here, and William is here. This is Columbus Day, and right here is Halloween. Today is the first day of October, so I'm pulling up the first. Let's go write the date. If September was the 9th month, then I know October is the 10th month. It is October 1st, 2020. Let's put it in word form. October 1st, 2020. I know that today is Thursday. That makes yesterday Wednesday. And tomorrow will be my favorite day, Friday. Yesterday we had been at school, 14 days of school. If we pull up one more, that will be 15. I have one rod and 5 units or ones, and that makes 15. Let's make 15 cents. I could make it 5, 10, 15. But I could also do this. 10, 15. Either way makes 15 cents. All right, you know these words. Call them out. 2. Some, my, very, 2, would. All right, we are going to start today at a random spot, and then we're going to go to 120. We are going to start at 74. Here we go. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120.